folks, welcome back to another vlog. Stephen here from tctsgroup.com, TCTS Ireland Compliance Pod Global Software. We're up here today in Antrim at On the Pull event that we're in doing the crowd management and the health and safety and the designs of the whole site itself. So let's walk here back up to where we're going, what we're going to look at. We're finalising a couple of the final plans, the seating arrangements, the emergency evacuation arrangements, the parking arrangements, the traffic plans for pedestrians and vehicles. So what we'll do is we'll take a walk up through the site and yeah, let's get it going. So we're up here, guys, on site the day before, the evening before the event itself at On the Pull. Event in aid of Northern Ireland Ambulance Services and created and all by the one and only Formflex themselves. So we're going through our traffic management plans, we're going through health and safety, we're going through pedestrian segregation, and we're just doing a final run through for the guys. So come with us and see what it's all about. So we're up on the stadium itself. It has been put up by Castle Stage Hire. So guys, it went to a hell of a lot of effort to put in a lot of control measures and safety measures for you, the public, to get up here and sponsor Northern Ireland Air Ambulance. So fair play to the guys at Formflex, because it's been a hell of a lot of work, especially in the weather conditions. It has rained for over what, a month now, and the ground actually isn't too bad at all. So great bit of ground up here, but tomorrow it'll be wrecked. Down in here the guys are going to have all of this here T-shape for the tractor pull up here to the stage for the judging. Nice segregated off areas for everybody. Concrete bollards sponsored by Moore Concrete. Well done, guys. So it goes down over the hill and the guys are going to be pulling up the hill. Weight has been reduced. The weight has been reduced a bit on the trailers just due to the weather and the ground, but it's in plan to be a fantastic day. Anyway, that is all.